In this video, we're going to discuss common butterfly valve failures and demonstrate how to disassemble and replace its parts. You know it's time to replace your butterfly valve parts when the valve is suddenly leaking or failing. After an inspection, you can determine where the problem is: the seat, the seal, or the handle locking mechanism. The seat and the seal are typically the first to wear since they are exposed to the most heat, pressure, and chemicals compared to any other part. The handle can become stiff or loose over time with frequent use. Inside, the locking mechanism may be worn down due to corrosion or product buildup, making it difficult to keep the valve securely in position. Tools required: a standard wrench, an Allen key wrench, a screwdriver, and a replacement kit. In preparation for disassembling the butterfly valve, you're going to want to stop the flow and drain the line, and then you're going to want to carefully remove the valve from the line. First, we're going to use an Allen key wrench to remove the bolt from the handle. Next, remove the handle and the position stop plate. Using the Allen key wrench on one side and a standard wrench on the other, loosen and remove the 4 nuts and bolts. Separate the valve body. If the halves are stuck, carefully insert a screwdriver between them and gently pry them apart. Finally, remove the disc and seat from the valve body. The seat has 2 holes for the stem to slide into. Proper alignment between the disc edge and the seat is critical to maintain a tight seal and prevent leakage. The valve also contains bushings at both ends of the shaft, which provide support, reduce friction, and maintain alignment. Use a screwdriver to carefully remove the bushings from each end. Pull the seat over the stem. Turn the butterfly valve sideways to make it easier. Grab your replacement seat. For reassembly, install the new seat over the stem and disc, making sure everything aligns correctly. Replace the bushings on either end of the stem. Position the seat and disc back into the valve body. Place the other half of the valve body back into position, closing the valve. Reinstall the nuts and bolts, then tighten evenly using an Allen key wrench and a standard wrench. Reinstall the position stop plate over the valve stem. Place the handle onto the stem and over the stop plate. And lastly, insert and tighten the handle bolt. The final steps include carefully reinstalling the valve back into the line. Cycle the handle to ensure smooth operation. And finally, when your system is back online, check for leaks and confirm proper sealing. We hope you learned something during this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment, and share with your friends and colleagues. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to 1-800-668-2268 or sales@cpsystems.com. Thanks.